Well, an update now to a story that's had many of you talking on our Facebook page. A Montgomery County breeder now facing charges tonight, and yet some of his dogs that he's accused of leaving out in the cold remain in his custody. How did that happen? Well, Jennifer Lukey is live in Fonda with our continuing coverage on the story. Jen?
Well, Dory, all day today we were in the Montgomery County Supreme Court at a hearing between a group of animal advocates and the state police, the Attorney General's office representing the state police, because state police had been called to the Flat Creek Border Collies to check it out. They brought a vet with them. They walked around. The dogs looked healthy enough, but the dogs, all of them, about 50 to 60 of them, have been outside 24/7 in these sub-zero temperatures. And while they have water and they have food, the only shelter they had were plastic barrels that were lined with hay. So a group of advocates got together. They had their case heard today, and the owner of that breeding company, if you will, has agreed to give up about 40 of his adult dogs to the Montgomery County SPCA temporarily while he works to construct new, better, safer, and warmer structures for these dogs to be in, because he does keep them outside. Now, this breeder was able to keep about 12 of the puppies that he has, but under the condition only that he must have them inside when the temperature falls below 32 degrees.
It was never our intention to stop him from owning his dogs. It was simply to make sure that his ownership of the dogs is in compliance with the law, and more important than in compliance with the law is in compliance with the safety needs of the dogs.
But there will be a significant daily cost. You have to bear in mind these animals haven't really had regular veterinary care. They also, we don't really know what kind of condition they're in. I mean, certainly don't appear sickly, but they may need vaccinations. It's going to cost us a lot of money, but it's something that we have to do.
You heard the SPCA say it's going to cost them a lot of money. They have found rescue groups that will take most of these dogs in, but it comes at a cost, of course. Now, the owner, the breeder, was also ticketed for failure to provide adequate shelter. He will be back in court on the 21st of this month, where he'll answer to that charge, and he'll also keep the judge updated on the progress of those new structures, and then they will try to give him back the dogs as they see fit, based on the safety conditions at his facility. Live in Fonda tonight, Jennifer Lukey, CBS 6 News.
All right, thank you very much, Jen. The vice president was in all